Enrollment na naman for college, and sometimes hindi tayo makapag-decide kung ano ba talaga yung course na gusto nating kunin. Before, we have this dream na we want to become a pilot, we want to become a flight attendant, we want to become a policeman. But as you grow older, it became vague. So, ang nangyayari, we feel like we have no purpose anymore and we actually don't know where to go. So, maraming nagtatanong sa akin how to choose a college degree ba. So, I think there is no correct way on how to do it. But one thing na gusto kong sabihin to those nahihirapan pumili ng college degree is remember what you dream of when you were young. Kasi most of the time, nabobored lang yung mga dreams mo. So, if you look back and think of what is the dream that you have when you were young, mafi-figure out mo talaga kung ano ba yung gusto mo. So, ang mangyayari niyan is you will think, oh, bakit mo ba nagustuhan ang course na yon? At what actually comes up in your mind when you say you want that course, 'di ba? So, I think just go back to your root kung ano ba talaga ang gusto mo. And then, if you think hindi mo na siya gusto ngayon, one thing that I want you to do is just research. Mas mabuti kung kakaroon ka ng experience in different fields. So, try to ask people na nandun na sa mga degree na gusto mo. So, for example, for me, I want to become a flight attendant because I have a height of flight attendant. So, yan din ang dreams ng family ko for me before. But when I was young, I was thinking na gusto kong maging businesswoman. Gusto kong to have my own business. So, nung senior high ako, I feel like I don't want to go to college anymore because I feel like wala namang purpose kung magka-college ako pero hindi ko gusto yung course na kukunin ko. Because at that moment, I realized na hindi para sa akin yung flight attendant. What happened is that I go back to the time that I was still a kid and dreaming of something. So, nung time na yun, I really like business and owning a business. I imagine myself being a business owner. So, instead of getting, ano ba tawag na course na degree na to? Basta ano siya, like related sa flight attendant or customer service, and then into getting a degree of entrepreneurship. So, I also recently figured out that I like medicine. So, why I suggest that you should learn firsthand kung ano ba talaga yung gusto nyo is because na-discover ko ngayon that I really actually like medicine. Pero hindi ko kasi siya na-feel before. It's because hindi ako na-expose sa medicine because there is no medicine people in our family. And then, na-expose lang ako nung nagkasakit yung aunt ko. And actually, I like taking care of people. And it's made me think that should I get another course about medicine. But right now, mas nangingibabaw yung pagiging entrepreneur ko. So, I think for those incoming college student, one thing that I can say to you is that go back to your root. Remember your childhood kung ano yung gusto mo. And then second, if you can still figure out kung ano yung gusto mo for a college degree is that experience the field. So for example, if ever gusto mo mag-medicine, try to ask around kung ano yung buhay sa pagiging medicine. So, kung may pasyente kayo sa pamilya, try to take care of them, of yourself, if kaya mo ba. If in case you like engineering, try to ask construction people or engineering people kung magugustuhan mo ba. And then if you like finance, try to ask people in finance. So I think that's all, and I hope this is helpful kasi napagdaanan ko ang bagay na yan. And I feel like I was getting crazy at that time because I feel like wala akong patutunguhan but I have to get a college degree. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and thank you so much for having me here. I hope I see you in the next one.